Hi, I'm Abby, and I'm in the jewelry camp.
You can learn a lot of new things at this camp.
I'm currently at jewelry camp, and there's some stuff I make. I like using the clips because they're really odd looking, and I just love all the good stuff. And then these were like a project we did where we colored on wooden beads and used them to make it. And then these bracelets, some of them are put together, but some of them have a slit. These ones have a slit, but look what you can do when they have a slit. You can make them clip-ons.
We made some jewelry, and we mostly make necklaces or keychains or bracelets. We're working on this string bracelet, and we worked on a bunch of bracelets and necklaces over the few days. And we made jewelry boxes. We used some special markers that we can color with them, and I've been having lots of fun. I will tell a friend that she or him should come because this is an amazing camp.
This camp was really fun, so I think you guys should do it too.